All right, y'all, the market just opened. I very much believe if the pre-market lows hold across the board, we must see some sort of a relief, kind of a little not relief, just a profit-taking bounce. That'll be nice though. If you see that, that'll be nice. That'll be interesting to see. All right, how's everybody doing? You guys hear me? Just take it easy, man. We know what we're doing. Like the history literally tells us, when we chill, we make more money. So there eventually comes a point where we gotta just be like, you know what, man? I've learned this from the history. You understand what I'm saying?
So what's up with Meta? With a lot of names that are they're doing this right now. Just sit back. We're on a 2 minute chart. Can't go any smaller time frame. Trying to hunt for entries, you know. All right, we're here.
It's a pre-market low bounce. I mean, if the levels hold, we're not taking a bounce like a madman. You know, just going to the market trying to catch a falling knife while there is freaking full-fledged war going on. We'll see if the VIX is way too high for us to play around. You guys don't understand the power of the VIX. The VIX high means VIX high means the contracts will be crazy value right now. Those contracts will be expensive as fuck. I mean, check those. Oh my goodness. Check the SPY, bro. Fucking SPY has $3. Yeah, $3 contract. Take it easy, darling. If you have a small account, you're gonna get fucking smacked. Take it easy. I have a tax bill due. I'm gonna pay taxes. The tax bill that I know that's coming for India. Um, I got a tax bill in India due today, this week. So need to make some money. It's a land tax, a bunch of taxes, man, bunch of taxes together. Um, you trade India stock as well. I don't trade India stock, no. I just I just move quite a lot of money. I actually one of the parent companies are based in India. So the structures that we have set up is this company is owned by this another company, another company, another company, then a company in Singapore which is owned by the parent company in India. Plus, yeah, there's a little bit of a structure, but yeah. Sit back. What that means is, what that means for me is I'm gonna be taking a little. If I see a little bit of green on my profits, I'm gonna be taking a little bit bigger position size and probably risky trades. That's what it means. The market just sold off the pre-market low. We have anything setting up? No. QQQ is approaching pre-market low, has been a little bit stronger than the overall market right now. Okay. So Tesla what, my brother? Gotta wait for the entry.
Nothing yet.
So I mean I should be getting 5% referral at this point, get messages like this daily. Hey bro, I appreciate you. Say Jay, I appreciate you, bro. Hey bro. Hey bro, just create a support ticket here inside the Discord. I'll get the team to have a look. See what we can do. How does Microsoft look? It's not. It does. It's not a LTP, bro. Yeah, mic sounds low because I'm literally not talking out loud, bro. Gotta put the volume up. V is not coming on voice, so I think you should be fine. You should be safe to put the volume up. When that man comes, he screams in the voice. You see, so you're safe to put the volume up today, bro. There's a divergence between SPY and QQQs. You know what this means? That means the tech sector is a little bit stronger, which kind of makes sense because Nvidia is holding above the open price still. This would mean waiting for really fucking good trades today, man. What do you think about Tesla, Sumesh? There's nothing to think about it right now, bro. Doesn't look the sexiest. We'll see. We'll see. The stop loss be wide on that. No, not wide. They just on the Tesla. The contracts would have been jacked up because of this move that we saw from 396 to the level. It's 0 DTE, man. Those contracts feel fucking expensive. You know? There's a divergence between SPY and QQQs. We can't really play that divergence unless... But the beauty about a lot of volatility I like is it's either going to be calls or puts. What I mean by that is if you do take a trade and the trade doesn't work, when you flip, you can flip the position. That's one of the things that I like about fucking high volatile markets because you can be right on the fucking boat, on at least one. They ain't going to be chop. You get paid somehow. Guys, there's a little bit of a trade probably if anybody wants to risk it on this SPY. But again, the risk is $1. You're risking probably, because the contract's expensive, you won't be risking like 60, 70%, probably be risking like 30, 40%. But the risk is still there. SPY hasn't hit 0.5 Fibonacci, has it? No. Below 670.8. We can kind of keep an eye on it, see how we go. Yeah, it'll be good. It'll be a good idea to just kind of sit back for now, to be honest. If we reclaim the pre-market low, we might see a little bit of a relief bounce because a lot of stop losses will be sitting right on the top of this pre-market low. Those stop losses will get triggered. The market can see a bounce. Actually, that'll be a little bit better play. See how if this candle closed above. All right, here's the plan, y'all. If this candle closes above, man, these charts need to be fucking turned back on again. 1 second, y'all. Oh my freaking god. The chart's been playing out way too much today. All right, we're back at it. Sweet. It's a nice shirt. Thank you. Thank you so much, Andrea. Usually it's just the guys that fucking compliment me. Hey, feels good for a change. It's the guys. Good shirt, daddy. Fuck, shush. Fucking daddy, fucking bullshit. Good daddy, good shirt. Ah, fucking shush. Call me daddy, you motherfucker. See? Yeah, daddy, love your shit. Oh my god. You see? Are we taking a trade? Man, I'm just waiting for something sexy to show up, my sir. Like right now, there's plays, but they're not sexy plays. There's a difference. There's a massive difference. You understand what I'm saying? If you want to, again, if you want to play with fire, there might be something that you can't play with fire with. Only if you like to. Because 0.5 Fibonacci hasn't hit. The stop loss is as wide as it fucking can get, but below 670.7 because the 5-minute chart's giving you an entry. But you can use the 2-minute chart as a PC in a way and kind of play around with it. But you know, it's not a sexy play. It's just. He said 15 people already in. Very good. We had people in the chat before who I would literally be just talking about Tesla. I'll be like, all right, by the way, guys, on Tesla, I'm in. I'm like, I didn't even fucking say it. I'm like, bro, I haven't even said anything. He said, I'm in. Fuck my. You see? Very good. Y'all, risky play. Another risky play is Tesla. Risky, if you want a risky play below 395. Stop loss 395.9. Again, I'm calling out risky plays because I know for a fact if somebody catches one risky play and they make their week or destroy their week. Because there's some people out there who are doing dumb shit right now. I'd rather have them do dumb shit on a little bit of a B setup than a total D or F setup. You understand? I'm chilling. Me too, bro. Me too. Only 17 minutes into the market open. Hasn't been a long time. Somebody keeps saying Meta. Bro, Meta, what do you see on Meta, darling? Come on. I gotta wait for your fucking message. What do you see on Meta? You looking at a 5-minute chart, Meta. You want to take that trade, the stop loss is freaking wide, man, as long as you're aware of that. Stop, and also hit 0.5 Fibonacci as well, actually. So the stop loss is not only wide, it's like a tranny, Looks nice, but it's not what it is, Like, it looks nice, but is it though? Yeah, moon like a man. Fuck, bro. Shit. Hey, sit back, everybody. Please do not do dumb shit. We will get something, man. Just chill. We're enjoying, you know what I mean? We're enjoying. I actually had somebody once in my life who only had one experience, actually 2 experiences with someone like this, who said the pronouns. Only had twice. Once I got introduced to somebody in a meeting, and not a meeting, at a party. Like, oh, by the way, this guy's this. He runs this, or whatever fucking did. Like, all right. You know what he said, bro? The first thing that they said at the party, they got introduced, could have been the best thing of their life. Said, hi, my name is this. And my pronouns are they, them. I'm like, bro, sorry, sis. This is the first, or This is the first and only time I'm gonna talk to you. Why the fuck do I need to know that? I'm like, why do I need to know that? All right, but yeah, cool. Have a good day, Day. I'm out of here, Day. I'm like, out of here, Day. I'm gonna go get a drink, Day. You see? Adolfo, you never mentioned how I went on the conference that you went in front of a bunch of business people. Bro, I closed, I don't want to freaking give the numbers, but I closed about, I pitched a 30K 30K business mentorship towards the end where they get 4 sessions, group sessions, and about 30,000, was 30 grand, and 40 people signed up. That's how it went. So I made yeah. So it wasn't bad, bro. It wasn't bad at all. I made a mill in 1 hour. I'm telling y'all, once you start getting to the money, bro, it becomes way too easy to get the money. Yeah, once you start getting to the money, once you have track record behind you, once you have something tangible as a proof, you don't understand. The first thing is you gotta, because in this day and age, people can fucking tell when you're bullshitting. First thing is you gotta do cool shit. You understand what I'm saying? You gotta do cool shit. You gotta do fucking unreal stuff. And once you do the unreal cool shit, bro, there is everything that's out there. There is everything that's out there that you need for the next level. Is it Lambos and shit? Not Lambos and shit, bro. I don't think business people, anybody who has a little bit of money, or everybody here, how many people, be legit, how many people in this fucking chat bought my program because I have a fucking Lambo? 0. Nobody. They don't give a fuck. I have the Lambo for me because I like it. Nobody buy. You see what I'm saying? So it's the fact that this day and age people can tell really, really quick if somebody's bullshitting and if somebody's legit. Like, how easy was it for you guys to say, you know what, man, this dude knows what he's talking about. His content fucking makes sense to me. I'm looking at his stuff and I implement this stuff. This makes sense. Right? If that's the reason you bought this, boom, there you go. So first thing is you got to do cool shit. Right? And you know, you can't, bro, I tell people this all the time. Like, in this day and age, bro, you just cannot run a scam scheme where people are too smart. They'll find out just like, this guy's bullshitting. You understand what I'm saying? Oh man, is there gonna be a freaking trade? They keep on pushing the prices down from the pre-market low. Do you guys see something that I'm seeing on SPY? They keep on pushing the prices down from the pre-market low level over and over and over again. There is definitely a lot of selling pressure sitting there. There's a lot of motherfuckers sitting there who are just selling, don't want the prices to get below if the prices get above it. Again, the keyword here is if the prices get above it, just because PLTR, Nvidia, they're all fucking moving up. If the prices get above that, bro, I'm just saying, man, you know what I mean? I'm just saying, it can fucking, it will trigger some stop losses. Hey, chat, what happens when stop losses get triggered? There is pain. There is pain of these guys. What happens when the pain actually, what happens? More pain? More gain. And that's essentially what I'm looking, because there's towards the downside, it doesn't look sexy setup at all. Like, check the downside, man. There's a divergence, massive divergence between SPY, QQQs. How do you play the downside? You can't. Contract's way too expensive to try it. But what you can do for the upside is you can probably take a play small play now, or probably a little bit later. If we break above that level, it'll be nice. The risk to reward kind of makes fucking sense. But again, I'm chilling cash for now. For anybody that do like some sort of like the thesis, don't just take my word for it. But if you agree with the thesis, and if you agree with the thesis, it's gonna make your life easier to hold a trade. But it's definitely not an entry right now, that's for sure. The entry I would say the entry, if you do take an entry now, stop loss has to be low of the day. You understand what I'm saying? Like if you are like, oh, let me take an entry for calls right here, the stop loss gonna be low of the day. But the entry wouldn't make sense as of right now. Or entry can make sense actually because the ORB level is there. But I would love to see this 2-minute candle close. If we see a 2-minute candle close, the next 2-minute candle breaks above the current candle, it'll be nice. That makes sense? QQQ is bottom trend line. Yeah, there is a trend line setting in the bottom as well. But again, guys, it will become easier for you to execute. I personally think this might be nice. 672 calls might be nice. You can give it a try. It won't hurt that bad because the IV is high, but it will still fucking sting a little bit. I'm just keeping it real with y'all. It'll still sting if the trade doesn't go in your favor, but you can do essentially small size right now if you want. Matter of fact, I just picked up small size, y'all. Stop loss can go just low of the day, man. It's a risk. If you're willing to take the risk, go for it. If you're not willing to take the risk, if you do not agree with the thesis, don't take the risk. For me, the thesis is just like a lot of names are bouncing. There's heaps of things happening. If it goes down, hits the stop loss, is it a stop loss? Like be so wide without take a massive hit? I don't think so. But 10 o'clock's about to happen. We'll see. It's down 3% right now, so I'm chill. Did you pick SPY or SPY? I picked SPY, bro. I picked SPY, 671 called. Because genuinely, around here, I genuinely believe there has to be some sort of profit taking that has to happen after such a big move down. It's an $11 move down. Can it still continue to go down? Yes, which is why I have a fucking stop loss. If it gets below 670, I'll jump out. And that puts me about 40 cents, 50 cents wide stop loss. You understand what I'm saying? It's not the craziest wide stop loss. And only be down about 10% if it hits the stop. It's all right. 670 here, hold in. Do we flip if 670 now hold? No. Bro, no. Down 11%, 670 hold in. Gonna jump out. Hey, do you see the fucking beauty of these contracts? On a normal day, this contract probably be hurting fucking about 50%. This is why I like enjoy high IV. Those contracts expensive, but they don't hurt. It's bounced. Oh my god, so fucking good. Come on. 5 cent fucking 5 second what's the rule? Hey, the word's slipping out of my brain. 5 minute, fuck my. Bids and ask. There you go. Good. Let's see a bounce, man. Bids and ask, bro. Somebody said 5 minute. Bro, very good. This will pay really well. If it fucking pushes, man, it will pay really well. If it gets above the pre-market, that area that I'm talking about, this bitch will go. It'll hurt the pain. Here you go, y'all. 25, 30% play already. Here you go. $100 a contract, fam. Congratulations, darling. Here we go. Baby. Here we go. Congratulations. Yeah, feel free to take a little bit off. Bro, too easy, man. Way too fucking easy, darling. Fuck. Stop playing. Congratulations. Fucking like a fucking sniper, darling. That's what's up. Like a fucking sniper. Hold your runners, darling. Hold your runners. This bitch can fucking push. I'm telling you. Hold your runners. Is it video time? Bro. All right. Shit. Okay. It's the nice shirt. It's because the compliment from Andrea, right? Andrea. There's a reason why I drive a GT3 RS with a fucking Spy Boss number plate. If you guys took this play, yo, say fuck yes in the chat. Such a good fucking quick move. Yo, that's it. Fuck yes, darling. This is what we do all day, every day, baby. This is what we do all day, every day. There's a thing called conviction in a fucking setup. And that conviction is what we fucking needed. That's it. Fuck yes. There's a reason why I drive 0DTE and Spy Boss. That's it, baby. That's it. Hold your runners. We should be good. Fuck yeah, right? Yeah, don't sell your runners. There hasn't been, the pain hasn't been activated yet. Y'all, the pain hasn't been activated yet. They're gonna realize the pain as soon as if the daily candle goes green, the pain's gonna be fucking to a point where we can pretty much add as a advanced VWAP on a 5-minute chart or open. Do you all understand what I'm saying? So if you hold on to this, that will mean if the pain level exceeds to a point where we'll be able to fucking have a lot of fun with this shit, bro. This bitch can go. Yeah, the pain level needs to get above the point. The pain level will exceed the point if the daily candle turns green. On a daily candle, so far we are still red. Check this daily candle. The daily candle goes green the moment we get above the open price. You understand what I'm saying? So if we have our runners running with a break-even stop loss, if this daily candle goes green, bro, I'm telling you, this is gonna be like freaking the bitch that fucking goes. But you know, hey, contract's up $100. Not bad. So at this stage, what I'm looking for if the 5-minute candle closes above the VWAP, the next 5-minute candle comes back and retest this. Essentially, that'll be nice. So, boom, boom, boom. You understand what I'm saying? So that's the game plan, bro. Do you guys know there's something from last 3 years of me doing this? I used to explain everything drawing on my charts. I'll be like, okay, if this holds, it can really push towards the upside. Other day, I had my cousin that he's like, what do you keep doing on the charts? I think you're trying to draw, but we can't see the drawing. I'm like, no way. He's like, yeah. Bro, for 3 years, I explained the charts in the real time while we were trading, drawing on the chart, but you guys can't see it. Nobody ever told me that. For 3 years, nobody said, hey man, what are you trying to draw on the screen? We can't see the drawing. Very good. Very, very good. Tell me all sort of weird shit. He said, is this called the puts? Bro, what the fuck? Okay, 5-minute candle closed above the VWAP. All right, y'all. If we get an advanced VWAP set up, get above the VWAP, look for a add, darling. The 5-minute candle closed above. The 2-minute candle still holding. Still wait. I'm gonna do a little add probably with 674 calls. Not yet. Still, the original entry still has a break-even stop loss. If it gets above the VWAP, that'll be a different story. We have had QQQs that's holding the VWAP right now. That is decent. We haven't added yet, no. If it gets above the VWAP, comes the ad. I think the pain level from that point, bro, from the above the VWAP to the fucking open price, if it breaks. Don't even talk to me, bro. You should pick the next strike, yes. You should do not the same strike, you should do the next strike. Getting above the VWAP, bro. Small size, you can, if you want to play as an entry, feel free to. Above the VWAP, hang on, or give me 1 second, I'll let you know. Hold in. All right, it doesn't look too bad. Actually. It doesn't look too bad up until we hold 672.5. 672.5 bids are kind of playing around. As long as we hold above this for a fraction of a second, 5-minute candle goes green, we should be good to go. If the 5-minute candle goes green, we should be good to go. 5-minute candle is still red so far. If the 5-minute candle goes green, we should be good to go. Yeah, this looks not bad for an ad right now, yeah. But the 5-minute candle, if it doesn't go green, then it's dangerous. Don't do big position size, all right, right now. If the candle goes green or breaks above previous candle's high, or I think after the open price, the big position sizes will kick in. Right now, it just will be small. The contracts are holding value, way too sexy though. Yeah, those contracts are holding value, way too sexy. Yeah, it looks good for ad, fam. Pretty much went back and retested the intraday level that we were holding quite well, bounced off of it. The VWAP is sitting there, which is getting a little bit of hard time, but the contracts are holding well. Oh my god, bro. Hey, do anybody else fucking see this, or this is just me? Why the fuck the contract's holding value so good? Only down like 10, 15 bucks on a contract, on a pop. Otherwise, this would kill the contract like a fucker. And no. He said, this is a sign. If this candle goes green, bro, that'll be nice. So we still have 2 minutes to go. The 2-minute chart probably looks like shit, though. Yeah, the 2-minute chart looks like boop. Yeah, the 2-minute chart don't look good. Yeah. 5 minute. SPY QQQs look like bouncing off of this. I want to see if it gets above the VWAP again one more time. Those contracts down 20 bucks a contract. $22 a contract, nothing crazy. If this current candle closes as a bullish candle. Oh, look at that Nvidia, bro. Now that makes sense. Look at that Nvidia, darling. Look at that Nvidia. Alright, down. Look at that Nvidia. Why the fuck that bitch reject so heavy? Alright, y'all. Feel free to jump out of this for now. We'll come back to this soon. Still have the original trade running. This one, no. The QQ and Nvidia reject way too heavy. They're sweeping again. Bro, it looks not terrible, but we caught one sexy fucking trade. QQQ is dropping now. Nah, it's just Nvidia rejecting, bro. Nvidia, I don't think a lot of day traders, we as day traders, understand the importance of Nvidia. Nvidia is of its own. Nvidia is a ETF of its own. You know how many assets under management SPY has? Does anybody know? What's AUM of SPY? Assets under management of SPY is about $700 billion. What's average? What's AUM of QQQ's assets under management? About $400 billion. What's market cap of Nvidia? $4.43 trillion. It's fucking significant chunk. BlackRock's 10 trillion. I know, bro. People don't realize how much power they got. Those guys have BlackRock. They're just so low key, and only few people kind of know it. Yeah, they can buy any company. 10 trillion is way too much, bro. Way too much. Way too much. Fuck. How does a company get that big? How does a company get even that big? Crazy. They can buy a country. Jews are the smartest people I've ever met, bro. They're so freaking switched on. The guy that so the same time when I go for a haircut, there's always one guy who's there, and bro, him and his older brothers and everybody, they all do businesses together. Everybody is like, one brother's a lawyer, one brother's this, one brother's this, one brother's this. They're all running this. And I'm like, smart, yeah. Oh, bro, he always says shalom way too much. It's shalom, like, bro. I heard that part. That's it. That's once. Shalom 55 times in a sentence. Pamela said, then how come I can't trade for shit? You're probably not the smart one. Yeah, I'm just joking. Yet you can't trade fucking for shit yet. You see? It's in your blood to fucking get rich. Let's go. So what are you watching on SPY? I'd still genuinely believe if we break above this consolidation right at the top, it can fucking push towards the upside, bro. This consolidation that we originally had marked on our charts of around the 673 area, if it gets above that, it can really, really push. Yeah, the trading view keeps playing up whole day today. You guys gotta. That's why I restarted my trading view before. It was acting restarted before. 673 looks good again. Again, open price would be the one. I'm not gonna fucking announce the ads and shit because it gets way too risky because the contracts are so expensive. But you guys know what you're doing. 673 holding open above the open price. Don't do the same contract ad, bro. No, the contract's expensive. Do the next ones. Yeah, do the next ones. Yeah, but ad would be above the open price. But use the open price. Jishan, use the open price as an advanced VWAP strategy. But it won't be advanced VWAP. It'll be advanced open price strategy. That makes sense? Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for, where my position size fucking goes, where it's like, fuck it. That thing goes, and I'll put the stop loss under the VWAP then. That's where I'm going to go, fuck it. That's essentially what I'm waiting for, to be honest. But the open price break will be so fucking cool. Anybody still holding their SPY calls, by the way? Bro, hold that fuckers, man. You understand what I'm saying? Hold them fuckers. It gets above the open price, we on to something here, man. Said how many contracts you got, bro? You shouldn't ask me this question, bro. You put me on the spot. Because I don't really check. If I check, then my brain starts calculating. I think you forget I'm Indian. I'm good at maths. You see? My brain starts calculating how much I'm up. If I know too much, then I'm like, okay, this is how much I'm up on the day. I'm good at maths, bro. You see? We made maths. Is it strong enough to break SPX? If the daily candle goes green, it'll break through any fucking wall that goes. Yeah. If the daily candle goes green, it'll break through every fucking wall that comes across its way. He said, fill my gap. Oh my God, bro. Come on. Don't. Let's go. Hey. Very good. Very, very good. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. Come on, y'all. Fuck. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. He said, should we add? No. Add above the open price, bro. Nothing yet. No ad yet, no. No. As long as we're holding above, even the advanced view up right now will be decent. As long as we're holding above this pre-market-ish low area, I think the only thing that's stopping the pain of these guys is the daily candle. The more the pain, the more there is to fucking gain, and I'm all ready for that, bro. You understand what I'm saying? That's it. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. My father-in-law dancing out there, bro. That's it. Pump it up. Hey, make some fucking money. That's it. Make some fucking money. Make money the bitch. Fuck, that song hits. Oh my god, he said, can you pump me up? Very fucking good. Pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, up. Hey, 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 come. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump. All right, so right now what we're waiting for is if the SPY breaks above this open price, man, I think you're going to be really, really nice. So right now we're watching this open price, this yellow line that you have on my charts. If the yellow line breaks above, we entered right at the bottom for this call. If it gets above this open price, I think we should be pushing towards any critical levels. Like we should be just going through everything. At least get to 676-ish, 677 towards the upside. That's the little thesis that we have. But this yellow line is definitely acting as a strong resistance at the top. But if it gets above this yellow line, the open price, it will make a really sexy fucking move towards the upside. And I'm all for that. We entered right at the bottom. There you go. Open price going. How far this page wanna go? Yo, you're gonna manage your own fucking ads and subtracts and all these other bullshit. I'm not fucking calling the ads and bullshit out. You guys do the ads and everything. Again, you wanna essentially wait for one candle to close above. Do you understand? Essentially one fucking candle to close above. And then it'll take off. Now, if you wanna wait for that, that makes it nice. If you don't wanna wait for that, then you have to put the stop loss on the previous candle's low on a smaller time frame. But I would suggest waiting for one candle to close above. That makes sense? I think it does, yeah? Yeah, all right. One 5-minute candle close above confirms the thesis. We're good to go. But if you don't want to wait for it, at least you need to know your stop loss. I'll recommend at least have your stop loss 673-ish if you don't want to wait for that. But I would wait for, me personally, I'm going to wait for at least one 5-minute candle or even a 2-minute candle close above. I'm like, if we had, where's the stop loss? Here you go. Now you know. I know exactly what you're thinking every single time, innit? Bro, my God, I can't fucking see what you said, Pratham. What the fuck did you do to the screen? What did you do to the laptop fucking screen, bro? Why the fuck it look that dirty? Oh my God, that stressed the fuck out of me. I just looked at it, it just stressed me out. Everybody, for the people on the Zoom, let me see if I can bring this on. Oh my goodness, I can't fucking bring this on. Even the Zoom will break. Jesus Christ. You think? Oh my God. Very, very good. Hey, I know, nuts. All right, y'all, we got a 2-minute candle close above. We got a 2-minute candle close above that SPY. So that means right now what we can simply do is we can kind of play it as advanced, VWAP or advanced open price strategy. So this looks nice. Again, from the original trade that we did is up 50 something percent, 60%. There you go. There you go, darling. There you go. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations, everybody who stuck by my fucking side on the day when I was like not feeling the greatest. You understand what I'm saying? There you go. Because all we do is fucking win. Congratulations, y'all. That's it. Fuck. Darling, way too good. Where we going with this? Hold this shit, bro. Hold this shit. Take some profits. Hold this shit. Let it run. Let it rip. The pain of these fuckers is gonna be so fucking massive. If we do get above, making new highs and all this shit, we got above 67.50. The gap fill would be. It could on a good day. The gap fill could be possible. You don't understand that. You understand now? Yeah, the gap fill could be possible. Smash is the fucking GOAT. I know. You can't ungoat the GOAT. Fuck. Look at that trade go. Congratulations, y'all. Sheesh. Fucking print. Alright, ORB is the level at the top. That's the only fucking critical zone that we see at the top. After that, there's no resistance. Time for DJ. Time for DJ. All right. It is these contracts are fucking paying way too sexy, man. Way too sexy. The ads are fucking moving nice as well. This page fucking going, darling. If we can see it clearer, I think we should be good to go. Yeah, we should be good to go. There's no reason why these sellers come in fucking on his after a bad day. When the market is already gapped down, all of a sudden they just decide, like, oh, let's push the price up. Or let's push the price down again. No, they're getting cooked right now, bro. They're not fucking thinking of doing anything. They just want to cancel take their trades off. Bro, we caught at the bottom. Hey, we entered at the bottom, y'all. That's what I'm thinking. Hey, song already. It ain't over yet, bro. Fuck, what do you mean it ain't over yet? Shit. My G. Chill, G-Shan, chill. I'm right here still, bro. I'm not calling it a day. It's right now. Chill, I'm right here. Yeah, if you're scared, trim. But scared money don't make no money, darling. He said, where would the stop loss be? Bro, stop, fuck. If you already took some profits, sir, excuse me. Fucking stress me out. Bro, way too sexy, man. Anyway, by the way, y'all, on a crappy day, where you would have been fucking probably got cooked in puts, today you made money in calls. I'm genuinely glad. I'm happy for you, bro. I'm happy for you. Let's play some fucking song, to celebrate right now. If you as long as you're holding above the open price, I'm chill. If it fucking goes about below the open price, then I'm probably gonna manage whatever I'm holding. Because I'm expecting the pain rally to come along. But there is Nvidia definitely has this 400 moving average sitting at the top on a 5-minute chart, which is not letting the prices to go beyond. But the pain rally that we want to see probably can push SPX to 60. Oh man, probably went to six. Probably make $5 move up on SPY, man. It's probably 5-minute 200 moving average. Previous patience candle that we just got on the chart. Bro, way too sexy, darling. Fuck. SPX can get to 6,800 phase. He's like, fuck. Hey, how many of my people took this play on SPX as well? Hey, how many of my people took this play on SPX as well? We printing, bro. We printing. Like, honestly, it hasn't. I'm up. It usually happens when I'm up very big on the day. My brain just starts shutting down. I don't know if that makes sense. You know, when you come from fucking nothing, bro, and you're like, oh my God, did I just make this much money? It's not 100K a day, no. It's just every now and then I go through a little phase of, where the reality around me exceeds way more than what I thought. I don't know if that makes sense. It just gets a little bit difficult to fathom. I don't know. And it's like when you were a kid, you were enjoying too much. And then your mom came and she grabbed the toy away from you. You understand? Hey, we all have this trauma. Where you were enjoying way too much, then your older brother came and smacked you and took the toy away from you. That's a little trauma. When you grow old as a little adult, now you have that little kid in you who's like, when you start enjoying too much, you start going, what if somebody comes and fucking takes this away from me? You understand what I'm saying? But it keeps you sane. It keeps you fucking hungry. It keeps you fucking pushing. It keeps you it doesn't let you get, what's the word? It doesn't let you get comfortable. That's what happens. Congratulations, everybody, by the way. Whosoever took this play with me, man, absolutely beautiful. Let's play a fucking song. ਮਿੱਤਰਾ ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ਹਿ ਕਿਹੜੀ 10 ਬਿੱਲੋ ਐਸੀ ਲੈਂਜਰ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਿਟ ਆ ਡਿਫੈਂਡਰਾਂ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਰੱਖੀਆ ਰਾਰੀ ਪੈਂਡਰਾਂ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਤਿਆਲੀ ਰੱਖੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੈਕ ਦੇ ਨਾ ਬੋਲੀ ਤਿਆ ਲਈ ਐ ਚੈਂਬਰਾਂ ਰੱਖੀ ਨਾ ਸਾਥ ਵੇਖਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਫੁੱਲ ਬੈਰ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੇ ਆ ਕੱਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾ ਕਰੀ ਜੇ ਕਰੀ ਪਹਿਲ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੇ ਆ ਲੰਡੂਆਂ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਹੋ ਜੈਲ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੇ ਨੀ ਕਾਂਬਾ ਛੇੜਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਤਰਾ ਮੈਦਾਨ 'ਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਵਾਂ ਹੱਥੀ ਕਮਾਈ ਸਾਲੇ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਆ ਲੋਕੀ ਕਦੇ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਕੀ ਐ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਨੇ ਲੋਕੀ Bro, there's a reason why I drive Spy Pulse and Zero TTE is a fucking car. Hey, everybody, if you guys took this play from right at the bottom of this Spy, literally jumped in calls right at the bottom, say fuck yes in the chat, darling. It's fucking time now. Way too much fucking money while everybody in the fucking stock market probably fucking shitting their pants. Fuck yes, baby. Look at that trade. Congratulations. All these ads and everything are mentioned. Everything fucking printing right now, baby. That's what's up. You want to know what's up? This is what's up. All day, sir. All day. That's it. Bro, congratulations, y'all. This is what's up. I'm glad. That's it. I'm so fucking happy for y'all. Let's go. Chat, let's go. Fuck yeah. What did I tell you guys? If it gets above this little yellow line that we had on the charts, 673.3-ish, you're going to make a nice push up. And that's exactly what happened. We entered at the bottom there. And that's exactly what happened. And I personally think if it keeps on pushing 675 breaks towards the upside, we're probably going to see 677-ish, 677, somewhere around the area. But we already took some profits. Looking way too sexy, man. Break above this little band that we have on our charts. It should be fucking flying, man. There's no reason why I personally think that it will start rejecting in the middle of nowhere. We already paid really, really nice. Look at that fucking guy. When should we cut it? When you feel you have made enough money that you can take a screenshot and send it to your send it to the Discord. That's when you should be cutting it. Yeah. You see? Or when you can take a screenshot and send it to your ex to say fuck you, bitch. It should be good. You understand? Yeah, every time I say fuck yes, there's couple of people that sneak in fuck you. They're just like, oh, let me just be cool, really sneaky about it. Fuck you. Enter. Fuck. Hey bro, I see everything. You see? You get on my fucking red flag list. Like fuck you. They think like nobody notices. Ha 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 ha. Look, I said fuck you. Ha 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 ha. They go to the wife. Hey, look how smart I am. I said fuck you. Ha 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 ha. Bro, stop playing. Yeah, fuck. Hey, very good. Ain't it? Hey, where's everybody that called SPX, by the way? Darling, congratulations. Congratulations, baby. SPX, baby. SPX fucking, we're printing. Way too much. This is way too sexy. Bro. Those contracts, not just paying, those contracts are fucking paying. Not a little bit. Fucking paying. I don't think a lot of people in this chat right now have any idea when I say they're paying how much money I'm talking about. I don't think you understand how much paying. You think you do, but you don't. You see what I'm saying? I just realized I have way too big position size. I need to cut it. Bro, I just shat my pants looking at the contracts. What the fuck? I was about to take a screenshot for you guys. I'm like, let me send this screenshot. I just shat my pants looking at how many contracts I have. I don't know if you guys saw me on The Voice just then. I literally shat my pants. Bro, I literally shat my pants just then. Fuck. Is it 3,000? I don't know, man. My contracts didn't do 3,000 a contract. I wish they did 3,000 a fucking contract. My contracts only did about. I'm thinking, I'm a G. Fucking, I made over $1,000 a contract. I'm thinking, look at me. Fucking, I made $1,000 a fucking contract. 1,500 a contract. Somebody said 3,000 a contract. Now I feel like shit. Hey. All right, I'm cutting, man. I'm cutting a little bit. Not because I don't believe it can go up. I'm cutting because I have way big. Yeah. It's a little bit big position size. Congratulations, everybody. That's all I'm gonna say, man. There's literally nothing else that I can say to this. So you have to be over 50K this morning, bro. 50K is my bitch. You don't understand. 50K, I consider a decent day 50K. I don't consider it a good day anymore. तेरा संगला पाया ज्यादा वफादारी चले पिंड ते छपाया मुंडे फीलिंगां ने लेंदे बड़े स्टूडियो च जा शहर दे बना हले बुला लेना कोई लभदा ही ना मुंडे बैटला कराउणे इत्थे रैप दियां शामी लाटा मारदी जवानी केड़ा वर्ष जे कादा चवाही जिवें औंदी आस नामी I don't think, again, I'll keep it very simple with you guys, all right? When your volatility is high, you shouldn't be looking at percentage gains, all right? Write this down. This stuff is important. When your volatility is high on the day, you shouldn't be looking at percentage gains. The reason why, the contract's expensive. 100% of $100 and 50% of $300 is more money. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because the contracts are expensive, so it's difficult for the contracts to go 100%. Does it make sense, y'all? So looking at the percentage gain for the win becomes a terrible choice on the day when your volatility VIX is super high, IV is super high. All right. So the thing that you should be thinking is, I'm up this much. Sweet, $300 a contract. I got fucking 50. Look at me, nice. That's how you should be looking at it, rather than, oh, I'm only up 40%, 30%. It's a different, it's a different game you're playing then. Hey, did anybody? By the way, I don't know. Did anybody take profits? Did I crash the fucking? Did I just market started pulling back? I started taking profits. Did it start pulling back when he's like, oh, he's jumping out. You know what? Let me just take some off as well. Did you take some profits as well? Is it I took at the top? I took at the top. As soon as you said, I sold. I gotta be a fucking ninja to do this shit, bro. Bro, what the fuck is this song? Can you guide on your last contract? If you have last contract, bro, you hold. Yeah, you hold. I don't think the market is gonna reverse. If it reversed, break even is a stop loss anyway, bro. You understand what I'm saying?
I tried to stop, but I can't stop. I just can't stop thinking about it. I don't know. All I remember was she met the sketches. Light up ones. Shawty man, put the sketches on. Follow on your heart, make my girl.
Light up, sketch.
Light up my world. Shawty man, put the sketches on. Follow on your heart, make my girl.
Light up, sketches.
Light
Sit.
up my world. I like
You sketches.
you like me, my girl.
See shoes.
I buy you the best for me.
You show me your boobs.
I like your sketches, you like me too. Bring your friends, all of us in the mood. Get this, all my drip, make a do. Can you get them and sit in the pool?
Hey. Bro, a couple of days ago we had somebody that got upset because they said this bit inappropriate to for the guy who runs the Discord to talk about to sing or to play the song "Show Me a Boob." I'm like, bro, what the fuck do you expect from a fucking straight young nail who just made 30 grand in a fucking day? What do you expect? Hey, it's a young dude. What do you want me to fucking talk about? You see what I'm saying? I'm a young fucking dude having fun life, bro. Fuck, laugh, enjoy, darling. Yeah, motherfucker wants like he wants want me to ask like, show me your cock. I'm like, fuck off, you cunt.
I just wanna make you mine. Love this sucker around. You know about my side. Shawty man, put the sketches on. Follow on your heart, make my girl. Light up, sketches. Light up my bar. Shawty man, put the sketches on. Follow on your heart, make my girl.
Light up, sketches.
Light up my bar.
By the way, y'all, you guys haven't posted your gains in the gains channel, man. When the fuck do you guys gonna post the gains? Tomorrow? Hey, what the fuck are you guys doing? When we posting the gains? Come on, y'all, post your gains. Let's go. when on your IG you say I know a thing or two about Spa, I know, bro. I just gotta fucking. I'm slowly. I ain't gonna lie. I'm slowly right now. I'm gonna start posting a little bit less, because I just genuinely don't have fucking time as much now. So everybody who got in here, man, congratulations. But hey, let's go, darling. Let's play some other song, bro. I know, sir. Let me put some other song on. Hey, let me just quickly do this. Literally took profits right at the top. Right at the top. Hey guys, if you guys took profits right at the top when I said I'm taking some profits, say yes in the chat for me, darling. Let me see some hands. If you took right at the top, that's it, baby. Look at that shit, fucking reject like a motherfucker. That's it. That's it. Such a sexy move up and profit taking right at the top. Way too sexy. Way too sexy. Should we short it? No. No, sir. No, not yet. Do. You guys, I think you guys forget sometimes that I have to also manage my trade as well, baby. Give me a second. But hey, if I'm quiet, maybe I'm managing my trade. Maybe I'm just taking some off. I have big position size. She's like, answer my question now. Hang on, fuck, bro. You think the profits that go on Instagram come out of fucking nowhere? Fuck, moi. Ah, nah. Mm-hmm. He said, we took profits and the market crashed. Bro, I know. Literally, 26-year-old billionaire crashed the whole market with taking profits. Bro, these motherfuckers gonna hate me when I say that. You're not a billionaire. I'm like, thank you. Fucking, no, I'm not a billionaire. I can't take you serious if you think you're a billionaire. I'm like, fuck, chill, darling. It's just a joke. I know. I gotta text my fucking. I gotta text my mate to fucking jump out as well. That motherfucker. Hang on. Hey man, yeah, it's time. We got a massive move. Hopefully, you took some off. It's time otherwise. Pull the plug. Is it again strategy when somebody sells? You buy put. Oh my god, bro, don't.
Where you at?
They ਉੱਤੇ ਦੇਖ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੌਣ ਉੱਤੇ ਮੈਂ. Hey, where's all my Punjabi people at, bro? Where all my Indian people at? What the fuck? You guys so quiet? You hear a fucking song, you should be like, fuck yeah. Why you guys so good? Like, bro, fuck. Where's the energy at, y'all? We built it from zero. You all came to a fucking new country with what, $20, $50? You built it and you made like whatever, fucking $1,000 today. You're not happy? What the fuck, bro? Hey, bro, stop playing, darling. That's what's up. Wait, by the way, I was thinking about this. I saw how the concert that Karan Aujla did, right? It's so fucking crazy. It's massive, insane. It was insane amount of people. I couldn't help myself thinking, I'm like, if Sidhu was alive, if Sidhu was around, bro, how crazy, how insane it would have been. Just how, if Sidhu was around, he was alive, it would have been nuts. And I'm like, man, that kind of made me sad a little bit, but you know, because at that time when he passed away, 2022, there was like, we were just coming out of the COVID. It wasn't like, you know, they were not allowed to do any big shows, and it was like just COVID kind of, you know, and he became him pretty much mostly in COVID. Even before that, it wasn't as big. It would have been insane. Same with Nipsey as well. When Nipsey was gone, Nipsey became even a fucking bigger star. Same with Nipsey. And yeah, they were actually because Sidhu was like, if Sidhu was like, if Nipsey was around, I would have done a collab. And he was planning a collab with Drake at the time. And it would have been fucking nuts. Did they got him? Yeah. He died May 29th, 2022. Nuts. It would have been nuts, bro. Crazy. Yeah, he would have been done. Yeah, exactly, bro. It's way too. Yeah, it's way too fucking big. But yeah, you know what? It is what it is. Everybody post your gains in the gains channel for me, darling. Why the fuck there's not enough gains in the gains channel? Oh my god. Come on, yo. Look at that game channel go now. Oh my goodness. Let's go. 20 grand on the day. Shit. 561, 20 grand, 700, $1,000, 526, 5,000, 1,300, 1,600. Bro, absolutely insane. 12,300. Hey, that's it, darling. That's it. Look at this. What is it? 10 grand. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, that's it. That's it, baby. That's all we do. Someone said, how much you up? But if you must think about it, the people that are taught how to trade, if they're making 20 grand on the day, what do you think I would be at? Just a question that you could ask yourself. It's like, you see, becomes easy. Say 100K, nah, no 100K, bro. I don't think the market was $100,000 market. It wasn't a 100K market. So what's your Sidhu's favorite song? I think my favorite song is this. By the way, I was recording this YouTube video. I'm going to post this on YouTube video as well. I'm going to post this on YouTube. Everybody who's watching this on YouTube, hey, I hope you learned a thing or two from this. All right. What do we need to do? You already know.